2026 marks a bold new chapter in mobile innovation, and leading that charge is the highly anticipated Vivo Tech Mobile. This latest smartphone from Vivo isn't just a device, it's an experience meticulously engineered to elevate every aspect of digital life. From the moment you lay eyes on the Vivo Tech, you're struck by its flawless design, an artful fusion of form and function that communicates elegance and futuristic sophistication. The body is crafted from a newly developed composite alloy that makes the phone surprisingly lightweight yet highly durable, ensuring it withstands everyday wear while maintaining a premium feel in the hand. The curved edges are subtle and refined, creating a seamless feel that merges glass and metal with the precision of high-end sculpture. Vivo Tech 2026 introduces an edge-to-edge quantum flex display, measuring a generous 6.89 inches. The screen boasts a 3200x1440 resolution and supports a dynamic refresh rate of up to 180 Hz. It employs Vivo's proprietary Quantum View Pro Plus technology that enhances brightness, contrast, and color accuracy to unprecedented levels. Watching videos or playing games on this display is more than a visual treat, it's an immersive journey that transforms content consumption into a visceral experience. Every pixel shines with clarity, every frame flows smoothly, and every detail appears with cinematic realism. The display is also designed to be energy efficient, automatically adjusting refresh rates and brightness according to usage patterns to maximize battery life without compromising quality. Underneath this stunning display lies the power of the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4X processor, built on a 3nm architecture. This chipset delivers raw power combined with intelligent AI computing capabilities. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR6 RAM and up to 1 TB of ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage, the Vivo Tech can handle anything thrown at it. From high-performance gaming to professional-grade video editing, multitasking is seamless and instantaneous. Applications open in a blink, transitions are buttery smooth, and thermal management is improved thanks to an advanced liquid cooling system that keeps the device cool even under pressure. Photography takes a massive leap forward with the Vivo Tech 2026, introducing a revolutionary camera array that integrates 5 sensors designed to work harmoniously. The primary sensor is a 200 megapixels